that
Yo,
Google
what's up,
is now
guys?
looking
Wait,
at
wait,
when
wait, wait, wait.
deciding where
Let
to
me pause
rank
this real quick.
websites. Do you know?
I just wanted to share this crowd search thing that I've been using, and it's different from the ones that you get from Conquer, which works pretty well. I'm setting up my campaign with it. So, what is crowd search? Basically, one of the safest things you can do to gain some traction in Google, right, is by, okay, let's back up from there. Okay, so doing SEO is you can optimize and do all the things, put backlinks you want in to your website to show Google that it's worthy for a keyword, right, to rank. Now, putting all that stuff aside, one of the most natural ways and like probably a way that can never be, how do you say, like penalized is doing real searches, right? So what does that mean? I'm in Westchester, New York right now, right? And let's say my client is a roofer in Westchester, New York. His website, he's trying to rank for the word roofing Westchester. Okay? So if other people around Westchester, other households, homeowners are typing in Google Westchester roofing or roofing Westchester, and then they look through Google, and then when they find his website, they click it, and then they browse through, make calls. It just basically tells Google that, yes, this website is something that, serves this service. It's good. Homeowners are liking it. That's why they keep coming to it, right? It's probably like one of the, how do you say, best way to reassure Google that yes, we promoted this website to around the first page or second page, wherever it is, and people are using it. So they are what they are pretending to be, or whatever. Like the website is about what it is saying it's about. Okay, self-explanatory. So before, how you could do this with is packages through Conquer, because some people were doing using tools probably made overseas, and they were using proxies. Okay, so if you don't know what a proxy is, go look it up. It's basically where you can be in, you can be in another place and show Google that you're in another location, right? And for some reason that is not working as well, or so I hear. I'm not sure. I'm not getting traction from it, right? So one of the things I'm doing is using this website right now called crowdsurge.me. 2 minutes 30 seconds. Okay, right. So not a bad introduction. Okay, so I'm here now, and I'm just gonna be creating a little campaign that shows how you guys can do this. So I'm ranking my third client now in Bronx. Okay, Roofing Contractors Bronx is the group name. URL. Let's go get his website. It's a really shitty website. All right, let's extract. No, you don't have to extract it. Keyword: Roofing Contractors Bronx. Now, before I show you this, mind you, there's one key thing you have to remember while using this thing. Okay, so I'm doing incognito. Okay, Roofing Contractors Bronx. Now, look at this. Lock Google. You go through it, and you see here is my other website that's ranking here, but this is not the client that I'm trying to rank right now. The one I'm trying to rank is on the second page, right here, Atlas Construction, right? Now, this could pass. This could pass as the main keyword, which is Roofing Contractors Bronx. What I mean by that is, let's say you just start working on a website and it's in like page 4 or 5, right? It's not even in page 2. It's not really safe for you to go directly for this keyword, because people who are type Roofing Contractors Bronx, Google sees that they usually don't go past even page 1. They probably choose one from page 1 and they go. So best way to use direct keywords would be once you are already in page 1, right? Now I'm contemplating if I should do it on page 2. Maybe, maybe it'll pass, maybe it won't, but those are the two ways you have to think about it. Okay, I mean, that's the first way, right? If it's on page 1, you can go for the keyword you're going for. That means, just so you know, once again, I'll explain it. The people who in this tool, okay, there's gonna be live people who are gonna go from that IP, right, in that area. So in Bronx, they're going to have people type in roofing contractors Bronx, and they'll go through the search results, and they'll find my website, okay, and they'll click on it, and they'll browse through, and they'll spend some time on it to show Google that it's, it's valid. If you're not in page 1 and not in page 2, if you're not in page 2, don't even do direct keywords. This is what you're going to do. You're going to do the company's name, right? So if I was in page 3, I would be doing Atlas Construction. Okay, something like this, the name or the partial name of the website, and I would go through, and you see Home Advisor, Manta thingy, and then here is the website, right? Then I would click on it and spend some time there. Get it? This is completely safe. Even if you're not even ranking in the first 10 pages, you could still do this because it's the name of the business, right? Google knows that, somebody sees something outside, whatever, you go look up businesses all the time, right? You get referred to it, that's fine. But it just shows to them that, oh, okay, somebody's searching from Bronx about something in construction and they are looking for this guy. It just still gives a boost. But the main boost you're going to get is when you're in above page 2, I would say at least. Preferably page 1 is when you're going for the keywords directly, and then you use crowd search to show Google that people are searching for your website for the services as roofing. Hope that makes sense. Quick little video. Just wanted to introduce this little website to you guys. I'll leave a description below in the name. If not, it's just crowdsearch.me. It's the name of the service.me. All right. Peace out.